top 40.
I'm thankful to FOAID where architects presented their work.
Congratulations to FOAID first of all on completing a decade.
FOAID feels like home. Vibe has been fantastic. I am so impressed.
FOAID having grown for something so small to something so large, and more importantly, it's not about just growing, but it's about getting the architectural community and the designers community together.
10th phenomenal edition of the Festival of Architecture and Interior Designing. This is where we all come together to celebrate a decade of design excellence, and this is a remarkable journey that began in the year 2014.
I think FOAID every year has been going from strength to strength, and once again one can see that they've got these great brands.
FOAID 2023 gave the opportunity to have some really nice talks and presentations, and it's very important to link the industry practitioners like the architects and interior designers with the industry materials.
I think I like the fact that a few brands are really pushing the envelope on sustainability.
Today, I can say with great pride and conviction that there is no forum that brings in the fraternity together the way FOAID does.
It's been wonderful. I think it's great to see how FOAID's grown over the last 10 years.
FOAID is, for 10 years now, kind of a place that everyone kind of gathers and has kind of a networking situation, both manufacturers and designers.
I think it's an interesting platform. It's good that we have more of these design festivals happening. It's good for young budding designers to be able to see products all under one stage.
Deep diving into the world of design with 10 years, 10 designers and 10 stories.
You know, it's always very, very nice to see the young students and the younger architects present their work.
I always look forward to coming and attending FOAID wherever it is.
Really raised the bar for everybody, and it's always fun to be over here.
And I think a very good interactive sessions happening, excellent display of materials and new innovations.
So I think FOAID is one of the best place to be for materials, exhibitors, for the architects to discover the new technique, products, technologies.
The students and the young people, they can interact with the stalwarts, interact with the senior designers open-heartedly, and that's where I think FOAID has bridged the gap, which is very important.
The submissions have been very unique, and I think that is a reflection of a very thoughtful topics and the overall organization of this particular competition.
This becomes like a common platform where the practice of design and architecture and the industry can come together, can collaborate, and can work together.